The longer the form, the greater the risk of losing conversions, so brevity matters. With Gravity Forms, Conditional Logic lets you show only relevant fields, creating a cleaner, more streamlined user experience. As an example, I have a contact form that asks the user their preferred method of contact, email or text. If I select the email field, I can open the Conditional Logic flyout and enable it for that field. I'll then set the rules to only display this field if the user selects email as their preferred method of contact. I can then repeat these steps for the phone field and have it only display if the user wants to be contacted via text. Now when a visitor to my site uses this form, they'll only see the field that matches their preferred contact method. It's a great way to improve your form's usability and increase conversion rates. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.